Arrive in style with this Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, Colorado red clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.